Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Here is Sadia Naseem, your science teacher from Beria Foundation College, Nushehr of Rose. Students, today we are going to start our chapter number 2 from our science book. We have completed our chapter number 1. Let's start now, students. Chapter number 2. The name of our chapter is Life and Living Things. What is the name? Chapter number 2, Life and Living Things. What are living things? Living things include all animals, plants, fungi and microorganisms like virus, bacteria. They are all living things. Okay. So every living thing has a specific character. Every living thing has a special character which distinguishes it from the other living things. Like an animal like a zebra has special skin features. Like a tiger can run very fast. Like a plant moves very slow. Plants show only growth movements. Plants are sessile. So these are all living things, but every living thing has a specific character which is different from each other. So there are 7 characters of living things. There are 7 characters of living things which make them specifically we call living. What are these characters? Today we are going to learn about the 7 characters of living things. First of all is feeding. All living things need energy. Why do living things need energy? Living things need energy to perform their activities, to do their work. From where they get energy? They get energy from the food. Living things get energy from the food. So feeding is the first character which is very important in living things. Okay. Without feeding, living things cannot survive. Second is the growth. You have seen all the animals, all the plants are very small in size when they are young babies. They increase in size as the time pass. This is the growth. Growth is also a character of living things. Living things show the growth. Third is accretion. What is accretion? Accretion is elimination or removal of waste product from body. It is necessary to eliminate or remove the waste product from the body. Accretion is the third character performed by the living things. And fourth is the movement. All living things show movement. Some show very fast movement while the other ones show very slow. You have seen the snake, tigers and lion. There are many animals which move very fast, which run very fast. Deer, they run very fast. Many other like birds, they fly in the air. Some other living things which move very slow like tortoise or others. Plants are sessile. Plants don't move from one place to another place, but they show movement toward the sunlight. They show movement under the ground. So plants show the growth movement. Response. Animals have 5 senses. You have learned in your previous classes about the 5 senses, which are these: sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch. Animals understand the environment around themselves, and with the help of these 5 senses, they recognize the environment around themselves and give the response to the environment. For example, in very hot season, animals move toward the cold areas. In very cold season, animals try to move towards the hot areas. Animals try to, mostly animals run away when they feel any danger in the environment. So there are 5 senses which tell them about the environment, and animals or plants respond on the environment. Sixth is the reproduction. What is reproduction? To produce new organisms. रिप्रोडक्शन, अपने जैसे न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म प्रोड्यूस करना रिप्रोडक्शन कहलाता है. रिप्रोडक्शन बहुत कॉमन हर एनिमल के अंदर, इट इज़ फाउंड इन एवरी एनिमल. अगर रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं होगी तो क्या होगा, एनिमल सर्वाइव नहीं करेंगे, उनकी नस्ल ही ख़त्म हो जाएगी. आफ्टर रिप्रोडक्शन देयर इज रेस्पिरेशन, इट इज़ आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एक्सचेंज ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड ऑक्सीजन गैस. This is very important feature of the living organism. So today we have learned the 7 features of the living organism, which are feeding, growth, excretion, movement, response, reproduction and respiration. Understand? Now your homework is you have to solve the exercise given on your book page number 18. Look at this exercise. Question 1, number 1. Suggest why animals need to move quickly. Why do animals eat food? What use is made of energy released during the respiration? Name one thing that plants excrete. A car moves, takes fuel, release energy from the fuel, gets rid of waste through the exhaust pipe. Is car living thing? Explain your answer. Okay. In case of any difficulty or confusion, you may ask questions. Thank you, students.